Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is dropping minus 0.11% right now. It is dropping after such an impressive movement over here. So we have a few key points to pay attention right now because the market is giving us some very bearish and curious signs right now. So first, remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, subscribe because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other stocks, right? But before we talk about Tesla right now is trying to turn bearish, but I believe it will turn bearish given how the indices are looking. When we analyze the S&P, the Standard & Poor's index over here was trading in a range, right, between 4168 and 4073 over here, this red line. And right now, we are losing this support level. Unless if we see a very, very good reaction from here or a miraculous recovery tomorrow, then okay, maybe it was just a false breakout, maybe we're gonna recover and we're gonna resume the bull trend. But I don't like this. I don't like the fact we are losing the support level because this indicates that the index will try to seek lower support levels like the 3979 down here, this black line. In the daily chart, the S&P is clearly losing this support level. It is losing the 21 EMA as well. The volume is not that good. I mean, the volume is horrible, okay? It's a very low volume indicating a lack of momentum, and this favors that kind of reaction, okay? So right now, the moment we lost the support level, we melted nicely over here. The Nasdaq index is doing a similar movement, but it is less bearish than the index. It's a little bit more bullish because it feels like there is still hope, right? We still could recover from this support level over here, maybe tomorrow, right? And keep going up. This is a real possibility. The S&P is a little bit harder to do that, but it is also a possibility, but it's a more kind of remote possibility. And how this affects Tesla? Well, Tesla is still in a bear trend in the daily chart, okay? This is the daily chart. We are in a crystal clear bear trend, doing lower highs, lower lows. Tesla is doing a bearish candlestick pattern just under the 21 exponential moving average, and the volume is starting to increase over here. So this kind of looks like a top signal to me, okay? We are trying to do a top signal right now. And if we analyze the 1 hour chart, we were in a very nice bullish momentum over here since the 700s. We hit the support level and we reacted nicely. We started doing higher highs, higher lows. However, right now we are trying to frustrate this sentiment. I don't believe the 730s is a key point right now. I think this support level around $723, 22.9. Let me write this down over here. 22.9. This is the previous support level over here, and if Tesla loses this red line, then it's gonna frustrate the bullish bias because it's not doing higher highs, higher lows. It is doing a lower low right now. So this frustrates completely the bullish momentum. Again, there is still a chance of a recovery tomorrow. Maybe the indices are gonna do a miraculous movement tomorrow, a very nice bullish and strong candlestick pattern, but so far we don't see any meaningful signal around. If we see a good reaction over here in the 1 hour chart, okay, maybe it's gonna be another buy signal, maybe the risk reward ratio will make sense again. But so far, with the information that I have, I think it is only important to be cautious at this moment. And back to the daily chart, we don't see Tesla reversing the trend. I was starting to get a little bit more optimistic regarding a possibility of a bullish pivot point, because if Tesla did a lower high, a lower low, right, a low higher than the previous low, And if we actually broke the previous resistance over here around $793 roughly, if we actually broke this point, okay, Tesla triggered a very nice and strong bullish reversal chart pattern in the daily chart, and this is going to translate into a very nice upside potential that could lead Tesla at least to 858 to fill this gap over here. Okay, I still believe this gap is going to be filled, but right now there is no indicator that this is going to happen. Okay, there is no bullish pivot point right now. In fact, there is only the possibility of Tesla doing a bearish pivot point right now. If we lose the 700s again, or $690 again, it's gonna officially trigger a bearish pivot point in the daily chart, and probably it's gonna seek lower levels, maybe even the $625 again. So the situation is complex, the situation is very delicate. Again, there is still hope that we're gonna see a reaction, of course, but I don't like this reaction in the 1 hour chart. Okay, it feels like Tesla is going up only in the first candlestick of the day, and then it drops all the way down. It did went up over here nicely, and then it gave all its returns over here. So the situation, Tesla overall speaking, looks quite weak in this scenario, and this candlestick over here is not good. I don't like this. It indicates a top signal. Again, if we see a but it must be a very good reaction in Tesla tomorrow. If we see that going on, okay, maybe not everything is lost. Maybe we could even see a buy signal again, but right now, I think Tesla is just dropping. We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. If we see one, great, but so far we don't. And I would be very careful with the indices over here. We must react tomorrow as soon as possible and close above 40.73. If we do that, probably Tesla will perform nicely, probably Tesla will recover, and we're gonna see a very nice movement afterwards. But right now, we just gotta be careful, okay? So caution is our mantra right now. It's the main word we gotta follow over here. So I will keep you guys updated every single day, so seriously, remember, subscribe, because I'm gonna keep you guys updated on Tesla and on other stocks, including the indices. So I think you guys are gonna like the content. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.